Today we are going to perform experiment number 2, A and B. The object of experiment number 2A is to determine the percentage composition of a given mixture of sodium chloride NaCl and sodium hydroxide NaOH. Solutions required for this experiment: N/10 HCl, phenolphthalein indicator. The first step of this experiment is to prepare a solution of the given mixture. For that, 1 gram of the given mixture is accurately weighed on this chemical balance. Now the amount is transferred into a 250 ml standard flask.
Dissolve the mixture.
Now dissolve the mixture and make it up to 250 ml by deionized water or distilled water. Now transfer 25 ml of this solution into a washed conical flask with the help of a pipette of 25 ml capacity. Now fill the burette with standard N by 10 HCl up to 0 mark and add 2 or 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator into the solution. You can see that a dark pink color has been developed into the solution. Now titrate this solution against N by 10 HCl till the disappearance of this pink color. Now the color has been disappeared. Note down the volume of N by 10 HCl consumed from the burette and repeat the same procedure to obtain a concordant reading. The concordant volume of HCl consumed is 2.1 ml. 2.1 ml. You can see the observation table for this experiment. Here you can see that the concordant volume of HCl is considered as VML. VML is considered the concordant volume of HCl. Now by this reading, we will make the calculation to obtain the amount of sodium hydroxide present in the mixture. Calculation. Normality of NaOH. Can be calculated by using normality equation N1V1 equals to N2V2. This we consider for HCl solution used, and this we consider for NaOH in the mixture. N1 is N by 10 or 1 by 10. Volume is, say, V volume has been considered. N2 is unknown. Let it be N. And volume of V2 is 25 ml of the solution was taken. So by this N will be equal to V upon 10 into 25 that will be equal to V upon 250. V upon 250. So this V upon 250 is the normality of NaOH solution. This is the normality of NaOH. By this we can calculate the amount of NaOH. So amount of NaOH in 250 ml will be equal to V upon 250 multiplied by equivalent weight of NaOH. This is equal to 1 upon 250 into 40. So this is the amount in 250 ml. For making the calculation in 1 liter, amount of NaOH in 1 liter will be equal to the amount of NaOH in 250 ml of solution is equal to V upon 250 into 40 grams. So amount of NaOH per liter of solution will be equal to V upon 250 into 40 into 1000 divided by 250 grams per liter. Let it be equal to X gram per liter. So this is the strength of sodium hydroxide in the given mixture. We can also get the amount of sodium chloride by this. Amount of NaCl will be equal to 1 minus X grams per liter. One is we have taken 1 gram of the mixture. So in 1 gram of the mixture, the amount of sodium hydroxide is X gram per liter. So this will be 1 minus X gram per liter. Now the second part of this experiment number 2, as you can see, is determination of the percentage composition of a mixture of potassium chloride KCl and potassium hydroxide KOH. This B part of the experiment can also be done by the same procedure, and the calculation in this experiment will also be in the same way, only we will be using the equivalent weight of potassium hydroxide in place of the equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. Okay, thank you.